Happy Tuesday! Good morning from Puerto la Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. Video about the weather. So we have absolutely amazing morning here. 21 degrees, almost 10 o'clock, expecting 25 today. What to say, what to say? Nothing, just be quiet and enjoy the beauty. Charge your batteries with our sun. Winter is coming everywhere. Not here. That's the magic of this paradise. I'll show you brown plátanos. They're really brown. Paradise for El Niño as well here. Lots of messages. Playa San Telmo. Low ocean. Hola amigo.
Vale, vale. Gracias.
Holiday Resort Martianes. We say Lago Martianes here. Waiting for people. And they are waiting outside. Opening hours are from 10 until 5, I think, these days. So happy Tuesday! Best wishes from here, from paradise, from Puerto la Cruz, from Tenerife. Christmas is coming. There will be decoration here around this sculpture statue.